Hello, my Aura tribe. Look at my eye makeup. Today we are wearing purple and pink, so that's what we have going on. I love that. I love the glitter. I love the eyes. They are giving Lemuria vibes. Okay, so as I split the deck, I see Page of Pentacles and I see Two of Cups. I definitely feel like there's someone entering your life and has a lot of love for you and a lot of pentacles to offer. And yeah, it is the person feels like full of emotions, and the person who is coming towards you has a lot of abundance, but very emotional. The emotions are at peak, and yeah, there is a lot of peace I can feel, over here, and I definitely feel that this connection is going to be, so it is definitely a love message, and it is death and rebirth. So the person is coming out of this energy and moving to this energy. So as I can read this energy, it is. Ten of Swords. So a lot of karmic patterns has been completed. A lot of karmic cycles has been completed. And this is like the oldest tarot deck that I have. Oh my God, look at that. This is how the person looks at you. Whenever the person looks at you, your person is like Page of Wands again, looking at the greener side of the situation, and trying to, I believe, keep leap of faith coming. It is he like I think the person that you are currently dealing with, my collective, they are dealing with a lot of situations, but sort of they have the Wheel of Fortune in their hand, the Wheel of Fortune. So they are bringing a lot of fortune in your life, good fortune in your life. So that's what I'm feeling. Okay, so let me see. Spirits, please connect me with my collective and help me, to give the right message to my collective. So let me see. The first card that came out is the Empress. So this is definitely a divine feminine, and this card tells me that the divine feminine is actually sitting in this Empress energy, and with a lot of abundance. So yeah, the divine feminine is definitely, and this card wants to come out again, the Two of Cups. I'm telling you, the Two of Cups came out as I split the deck, and it's a confirmation, it came out again. So this Empress who has realized her worth is getting all the love. The universe is actually bringing everything to this Empress because this Empress has realized her worth. So this is what is happening in my collective, and this is a collective reading, and I'm so happy my collective is finally getting what my collective deserves. Okay, what else? Oh my God, and my collective deserves Ace of Swords. I believe that your throat chakra is opening. You are coming out of the phase where you were just thinking a lot. Oh my God, the major arcana is here. So I truly believe that, based on these three cards, and yeah, the collective has come out from this energy to this energy, that is Eight of Swords, where you see how she's tied up in the karmic cycle, the way the world is basically trying to keep her trapped, I believe. So what I'm channeling is that universe wants to tell you that you are currently embodying the Empress energy, and because you have realized your worth, you came out of this energy where you were trapped in the 3D, and people were able to easily manipulate you. You were not able to see the truth because you were not vibrating at the highest frequency, and now you know your worth, and because of that, the universe is granting you your wish, and a person who truly loves you is actually coming with all the flowers, and this feels beautiful. This feels so beautiful. Yeah, and this Knight of Swords, and this person is very hardworking. And I believe you are also really hardworking. You have also put in a lot of effort in this, in whatever you are doing. And you definitely have big goals. You are definitely achieving your goals. You're working hard towards it. And this person who is actually unconditionally in love with you, like this person has unconditional love for you. And as rare as it sounds, such love exists. It's just the matter of belief. Like if you believe in it, it will manifest in your life like that. So I would just say that keep leap of faith. Leap of faith is something, you see how this Knight of Swords is running. And if you see that, so I believe that this talks even about communication to me. So this, person is going to be very truthful, is going to tell you exactly how things are, and exactly will tell you what you need to listen. Like it would not be sugar coating or something, it would be coming out of his heart. So it would be a very truthful and honest conversation, and it is coming out very soon, very soon. It is happening really soon for my collective. What my universe wants to tell the collective, okay, you are currently sitting in this energy where you really don't want any love. You really don't want any love, you really don't want anything. You are just looking at, universe is telling you that, oh, I have got a lot of love for you, it is coming your way. But you are sitting right here looking at the three cups, and you're like, okay, I really don't care about love. Like please don't fool me, I don't care about it. And with four of cups energy, you're just looking at the three cups, you're not even looking at the cup that universe is actually showing you. And anything, last message, my collective, last message for my collective. Like love is definitely coming your way. Oh my God, you are in this high priestess energy, my beautiful, beautiful empress. You are in this high priestess energy. You, your intuitive power is so strong, and it is coming basically to life. Your intuitive power you is giving you a lot of abundance, and it is going to bring a lot of abundance in your life, because now you realize that how intuitive you are, and you are going to get everything in life with this beautiful yeah, you have been juggling through a lot of challenges, and you have been juggling through a lot of relationships, and a lot of people have wronged you. And definitely my collective is moving forward with, I'm so happy, this makes me so happy. I am saying last card, but universe wants me to still shuffle. Universe is saying no, shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. The last card that came out was High Priestess, but then universe is like, no, it's still not ended. There is some more messages that you need to give. Okay, so the message that is coming out is that you have to keep leap of faith. Like universe is taking you out of your current situation. I know there must be a lot of hardships you must be going through. You must be feeling that, oh my God, my life is not worth it, or I don't like the way it's going. But what I want to tell you is that universe is trying to teach you that this is who you are. This is who you are. This is what is coming towards you. And this is a lot of love, a lot of love is coming towards you. And all you have to do is keep leap of faith and come out of this energy where just believe. Don't be in this energy where you don't want to see exactly what universe is bringing for you. And maybe it would come as a surprise for you. Like you're looking at these three cups, maybe you're just looking at your career, your all your achievements that you want to achieve. You're looking at like all these things, but you're not looking at this particular cup right here that the universe is bringing for you. Maybe this would be a surprise for you. So universe is trying to bring a surprise for you because you have worked really hard. And yeah, this is the message of the day. And yeah, the person who is coming towards you is this King of Cups. So definitely this person is extremely abundant, and is this person is taking the leap of faith, like the Fool card along with the King of Cups, along with Ace of Swords. Like definitely this person is going to open up, and there would be some really wise words that are going to be you know, that are going to change your life, to be honest. So it's going to change your life. Universe is here to change your life, and a lot of abundance is coming. You don't have to juggle through life anymore. You're just going to flow like a bird, like you're just going to fly like a bird and flow like water. So all beautiful cards came out for you. Thank you so much for listening to this beautiful tarot. Now we are going to open the Keepers of the Light deck. I feel like, doing another reading. Like take out Oracle card. Master Jesus and Mahavatar Babaji came out. They come from the same lineage and it's the same energy, it's just in different form, you can say. And I'm just shuffling the cards right now. And let's see what comes out. Okay. If, if Jesus comes out, then it'd be crazy. Okay, Saint Germain, karma releasing. So your karma is releasing. You are releasing all your previous karma, and you're moving towards your dharma and creating your own path and make room for good energy. So, Saint Germain is talking about that you are moving towards greatness, you're moving towards your higher purpose, and it is going to change your life for sure. Let me see, like, from the book, like what it means. So I see the eye of all knowing. So definitely the eye of all knowing is going to show you the true path. And let me open the, this is what I'm feeling. I'm just channeling whatever I'm feeling about it. So let's see what Saint Germain wants to say. Okay, so Saint Germain, the karma releasing. Saint Germain was born in France in the 18th century and is said to have been given a new identity because he was the love child of two very powerful people. He was well educated and able to rub shoulders with royalty. You're definitely rubbing your shoulders with royalty. He was also deeply interested in magic, alchemy, and the cosmos, and able to perform real life miracles and turn lead into gold. Now he helps us move beyond social limitations to connect with the right people for the highest good. He is still a master alchemist and able to help us turn whatever is lending in our life into something that is golden. His twin flame is Lady Portia, and he is the keeper of the violet flame. Oh my god, what a coincidence! The makeup that I did is violet, right? Beautiful. So that's why you see the card came out. That's also purple, and my eye makeup is purple. It's matching my outfit. I tell you, this is like, universe is insane and crazy. I love it though. So magical. Okay. His twin flame is Lady Portia. We'll read about that. He is the keeper of Violet Flame. We already talked about that. The powerful etheric retreat where we can release karma. Okay. That's why I'm so attracted towards this color. Karma is the spiritual law of cause and effect. We experience many levels of karma. Some we inherit from our family, and some from the people we keep helping out of the problems they keep creating. Saint Germain is here now to clear your energy so that you no longer have the weight of the world or your loved one's world on your shoulder. We keep taking a lot on our shoulder, right? So we don't have to do that. Be aware that an old pattern is leaving your life and creating space for something more loving to enter. Visualize yourself surrounded by a fairy violet cloak to release all the karma you no longer need. So just visualize a beautiful violet light around you. No reason. I think I wore violet and my hair is also the same color. I love that. I love this. I love universe. I love the energy. I love the messages that came out today through me. I thank you, universe, for making me this channeler. I'm so happy. I channeled something so beautiful. I'm so grateful for the universe for that. And yeah, see you soon. And thank you.